2004 Mercedes SL600, stock number 403530. Half the car's burned, no key, no start. Left side headlamp is damaged, front bumper's damaged. Hood's damaged. Right side fender has a dent in it. Passenger door's damaged, is burned. Quarter panel right side's damaged, has a cut. Deck lid's damaged, it's cut. Rear bumper, I'm not sure. It's just this little plastic piece right here that has a hole. The rest of the bumper's good. Left side headlamp has a crack in it. Left side quarter panel's damaged too. It's got 2 cuts in it. Driver door's damaged. Left fender's damaged. It's got a cut. Whole interior is burned.